In this module, I'll be showing you the important aspect of using Reddit to syndicate your content. You'll learn to find your subreddit, participate yourself as a Redditor, and also publish your content ads in Reddit. But what exactly is Reddit? It's basically known to be a social media, social news website, discussion website, and web content writing, just like any other social network sites. Rule number 1 in Reddit is that you are a Redditor, not a marketer. A Redditor is the term for user of Reddit. Unlike other social networking sites, a Reddit post is rated using upvote or downvote by the community. You can share and save posts containing text or URL. However, keep in mind that a continuous link sharing will be deemed as spam, and it may result in an account ban. Thus, you are not encouraged to showcase yourself as a marketer in Reddit by sharing links to drive traffic to your website. That is why you are advised to build your reputation in Reddit to gain more friends and karma. One way to do it is to choose the right subreddit. It is the topic that you can relate to by subscribing to it. All subreddits start with an R followed by a slash and then the name of a topic. For example, education. To build your reputation, start by subscribing to subreddits that are within the niche of your content. Finally, you can publish your content ads in Reddit. It is advisable for you to publish your content through ads once you've gained enough credibility in Reddit. Additionally, ads in Reddit easily attract potential Redditors to your content product. So in the next few modules, I'm going to show you step by step on how to subscribe to a subreddit and publish your first ad in Reddit. So, once you signed up with Reddit, you will be directed to your blank home page right here. In order to fill this place up, you need subreddit. You need to subscribe to topics that are in line with the niche of your content product. To begin, click My Subreddits and choose Edit Subscription. You will be directed to a page filled with subreddits. Over here, you can insert the topic that you are interested in. Below it is a range of subscriptions that you can subscribe to. Let's try typing your interested topic, for example, education. These are the subreddits that are available under education. Note how everything starts with R and slash before the main topic, as I mentioned previously. Checking one of them will direct you to various related articles about the subreddit. You'll want this kind of article to show up on your home page. To do so, head back to the previous page and type the subreddit you are interested in. Each subreddit has the subscribe button next to it. Click a number of them to start adding your subscriptions. Then head to My Subreddits. Here you can find the overall list of your subreddits. Now, if you head back to your home page, you can see all the relating articles of the subreddits you subscribe to here. This is how you find subreddits related to your product and potential Redditors that might be interested in your content. Next, I'll show you how to be a Redditor to build your credibility. As mentioned earlier, if you portray yourself as someone who keeps marketing his own product, the risk of getting banned from Reddit is high. That's why in this section I'm going to show you how to be a Redditor to portray your credibility and eventually your content. Let's get started. Click on one of the threads. As you can see here, this is a post by another Redditor. First of all, let's try upvoting a post. All you need to do is click on the upward arrow beside the post. Clicking it will add points to a thread. You may downvote a post, however, a post should only be downvoted if it is not relevant to the subreddit. You can even share the post to multiple social network platforms if you want to: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, within Reddit, or manually embedding the post. You can even save the post if you want to. Don't forget to leave a comment. This is part and parcel of Reddit if you want to build up your reputation. Click Save to post your comment. Scroll down to find the comment section. You can even upvote comments of other Redditors as well. Now that you're done interacting with a post, time for you to learn how to post in Reddit. Head back to Home, and on the right side of the screen, look for Submit a New Link and Submit a New Text Post options. Clicking on either one will direct you to the Reddit Submit section. You can start posting content that is relevant to the subreddits you've subscribed to earlier on. It is important that you choose a subreddit in order for your post to be in its relevant group. Continue filling in the rest of the requirements and click Submit once you are done. That is how you submit a text post. Next is the link post. There's not much of a difference between the requirements to submit a link and text post. However, for submitting a link, you need to insert the URL of the link you want to direct your readers to. You can even add images or videos. Don't forget the title and the subreddit of your post. That is how you submit both link and text posts. Next, I'm going to show you how to start publishing your first ad in Reddit. Once you've gained enough reputation in Reddit, it's time to publish ads for your content. Head to Reddit Ads official page by going to the Promoted tab. Then click the Click Here option. You can also scroll all the way down to find the Advertise button. Either way, both options will direct you to the official ad page. On the top right corner of the screen is the Place an Ad option. Clicking it will direct you to the Reddit Ads page. You need to fill in all the necessary information regarding your content to the blank space provided. Start by naming your campaign. Then set your preferred audience interest. For example, we're going with books and writing and comics and hobbies. You can also set the target location of your ads to be viewed. Let's go with the United States. Next, you need to add your target subreddits. For example, you want your ads to appear under the subreddit r/books. Also, do note that you want your post to be both desktop and mobile friendly, so tick both boxes in the target platform section. Next is optional. However, if you find this relevant to your content, you can set the time and day targeting. Next is for you to set your budget. Following the information given, all you need to do is set the amount of bid per your budget. Then set the schedule of your ads. You either want it to run continuously or you can manually set the start and end dates. Moving to the creatives. Over here, you need to set what kind of campaign you are running, link or text. Name your creative and choose your media type. Tick this box if you want to allow comments on the post. Next, you need a headline. Type the headline of your content and provide a working link in order to drive the traffic to your website. If you scroll down, you can see the preview of your ad in desktop and mobile format. This is the preview image of your ad. Click Save and Continue, and you will be directed to a summary review of your ad. This is where you can do a final checkup on your ad. If everything is in order, submit your ad for approval. Once approved, your ad will appear on the page like this. That is how you utilize Reddit to syndicate your content. Remember to build your credibility before you start sharing multiple links to your post. Slowly but surely, the reputation you build will allow your content the view it deserves.